Good evening, thanks for watching Ideas G8 TV. My name is Nana Boadiwa. I am currently reporting from Efiakuma Africana area. May Takoradi is at the moment experiencing a heavy thunderstorm that is expected to cause damage to a lot of properties within the metropolis. The rains, which started a slight drizzle around 2 p.m., suddenly turns into a full downpour around 3:30 p.m. Reports coming in point that many communities in the metropolis are experiencing flooding. Communities like Apremdo, Efiakuma Africana area, and the center of the town, popularly known as Market Circle. So let's speak to some of the residents around Efiakuma Africana area and see how they are reacting to the flooding issue. I've gotten some of the residents around Efiakuma Africana area. We want to speak to them to see how they are handling themselves in this raining season. Hello, good evening, madam.
Good evening.
But you be able to
Yami adumo bibi abo.
And so you need to pana Efiakuma Africana for a more the same.
Situation de why critical until upon cho so but we boy got no mu na say we bridge ne kesa man na nke ne rio beji because nsu no fa bridge na sinu too much into wa fa bridge no do I mo say wa akoko konkonfo wo mfie nti so but we bridge ne ye yaman na nke ne rio beji pa
afibia suto na em this year and why kese pa na
mpochunjo afibia mo nsuto ba sisi adi de o to ede why kese so I have panty so boy bridge no my and anka in your bejepa.
Okay, we just spoke to some of the residents at this area and she's so worried with the way the rain is really destroying properties around this area. She also made mention that there is a bridge behind me and it's a death trap, very dangerous to human life as well as drivers who uses this road. So she is appealing to SCMA or any other stakeholder in charge of environmental issues to come to their aid. As you can see behind me, the water has taken over the road, the cars can't go, human beings can't even use the road anymore. So it tells us that when it rains around this area, when it's a serious rainfall around this area, it is very difficult for drivers and road users to use this road. So SCMA and all other personnel who's in charge of such issues, of these issues like this, should come to their aid as soon as possible because according to them, last year it was serious, but this year it's so serious that right now they are even afraid to stay in their homes because looking at the nature or how the situation right now, they are afraid to be in their own room. As you can see, some people are joining cars to their various destinations. Let's try and speak to these people. Mommy, Jesus! Yeah, my wife by the Ideas G8 TV.
Majawando.
But you're fraud then.
Pell,
and you bring an aerocoin infana. Every a kayachi form drain and Munkotianka. And you bring Atwana Nanumi.
Mukofie.
Every infant aerocofie.
Kobe bar.
A coin
Kobe bar. Bus stop.
Ne elukofie.
Wacha.
Etanabade.
Otonti.
Etonti upon elukofie.
And the mountain the maka from baskets. Na yambo chamda ka Japan.
On the Kanyamian Fefi and Kajumbriano, Asia Quincy on to the Mia.
Wacha.
Into the Mr. Morrissey up and the catching painful.
But your makada one by bridge bieno. Them bridge bieno one way no one by na usuta hiding you.
That's a pill. Now, Miss one count, no coffee to whom I. Not me, won't look. I'm not buying the agent.
Okay, we do a modern snow. I want to outdoor, one year deep. Smoke or for Bacani inside them snow, them jam and some bitchy.
The Okan one,
and then Soko or 4 minutes in Soko engine baby cacanti or dry and send me 2 Marco. Oh, other got an ocean or in the casse, no ocean, Bibi as a big obey and big obey and Subutumaqua. You 2 more boy.
Okay. The Marco by the Ideas G8 TV.
Oh, Miss Medimoso.
Now, you now up on Winalaba.
Oh, Mammy, I glue. nsu kakra to ene de edem ho nyina nsu akọ ho ne gata kas na oye nte mu esi nti nsu to kakra bia no webuso eden wo mu nyina nsu akọ ma isia ya bed nya ya hangin ti ebe bi mpo na mbi mpo ya dwum be beda ho
mpo dwe be obeda on afibia nsu no oto na eye oto eye na ote den
odo oto but this year ma oto ni de too much pa
aba se na ewo ka kire mpanyimfo ewo de me hawo wole femu wa hade
mpanyimfo de nsema kakra mekan say gata ni mwesi cause SMFo ombo bubu ade osisi gata na nya say omba ede omba betim yegwa ayo si ombo bunum tie be mpongale but ya hwe omani ma won eden womba
eda be na this year na de
this year ondu wa ma be 2 weeks ni no ombo bubu was enso oboto no dosun nti no ade osisi gata na ombo bunu but ya hwe omani ma womba ombo bubu egwa nya ya hwe womba na nsu ato ya wa ko ede yenye bebi mpo yengine
asemo ya we husempa nti no enya mpacho fraud
o from Enoch
wa semi do ya reho
oya ho e student so
student we hifa
muko TTI yo
Takoradi Technical Institute e form 9
mo form 3
e da wo final year akra
no me ko form 4 mo part time yo
shall be well
yo mati
Abbas em akoba de by DHA TV do
I'm also majonde
enyumbri isunu wato na oteden
isunu de bi auto but ndere onya kra ndade no massive osine de bi ade no
nti de STMF ba hade de we wo baba yi bubu kiosk na de na wo bemben kwan no na wa ya bridge ne na de nyina na we consider
one day de bia wo ba mo one so wo ba wo ma ehwe last 2 weeks crowd ba wo bu ebi mo one of friend you grind na de ban gate no de wo ba beti gate no mu but still why then wamba wo bu amanfoto no egwae bridge no so wa de no so bridge so wa eresinya ye na gate so so de dare no so ni nyina no mu esisi nti nso na otokekre bi pa na ni nyina ye why ma
eti no and then ehwenim de sisi ya cars kwa wontu mu nkwa ya nyame an fefi anka nipa kura hwe ne nkwa sisi yi ebe na asem na ewo ka chempanyfo
pefo ne ye opi ka chen because nso na starting po no empo eren ye de ne police fo ni edi ngwa ye de block road no amma cars no eren one bar because aha no oye ma ye na ka se na eren ye block cars ndam mo fa because start wire no fa asem betimesi ntempo na block from first time na nsuno twenu na sisi aso we yiri mo osin first one crowd.
We just spoke to Abbas. He's a resident at Efiakuma Africana area, and he is saying that May Takoradi Metropolitan Assembly (SCMA) has been here on several occasions to see to such situation and how best they can fix this problem, but yet nothing has been done, and they are worried. Ejayemo akwabade by DHA TV.
Majodo.
Na udini ya deyin.
We're from Reverend Amo Mensa Battles.
Reverend Amo Mensa Battles.
Yeah.
Solibema.
More Faith Evangelical Church.
Faith Evangelical Church.
Yeah.
Reverend, you want a Russian and Yemeka, my young uncle.
What can I have one bia? One share in nature, the way a flood up. You're too about the MPP about for positive change.
Okay.
Change your pedal urbano. What about last week? What's say 1 hour was Sidano Hanyano? When you want it down, FFU. And so, still, even this week, you cramp on 1 year shade. In short, take a crabino from 4 to up to this 6. No, Shadow was flood up. Or beyond that, students are here, be a change in a hole. And so, I ban I to about the month for positive change. I be changing a wabay and abra boom. Change be around bay and abra boom. And so, Debian, Swaka, I want to work on a budget. One a be obey be with state beyond what you're there. Why your BB? What by your Awaha? What be to chop pictures? Our had there. Why ye? Road. That may parts in your way. So one year shade. No, what I just can't woody. Our money mu. Na ye na to manfuna ya brand ya to about them on wood is ka. Na ye de bia ya bre. De bia so we be gina. Nsutan we be ja we do no aka on bro fakasem no woko. Ani ti na mabamba kasa there. Damo wa ye ne dam MPP abano NDC abano bia no ye mpo bia wo ma ehia nimpa ne bu ya ne ma no ga na mu a. Ye wo so oya tete.
Atete no kwara. Nti o chida won so dem so aba ho no bi.
So aba ho kra. Nso aba ho kra oye yawo. Oye ye wona ye ma wona adwuma de edi kokromoti de ma wona adwuma da wan yan. Obi atete ni fie o. Obia titini fie car look chum pasha de o de chum. A man na nkasa yetiman for yan ya mo na dwuman. De bia wo chum krampo wan kasa yan ho. E dan yan park yan cars. What is wo? Na wo be chum ko. Ewa Joseph Kujo de bia oba abakasa. Enso o wa ya MPP office no san. Wontimen sisa o man no. Adan ne de bia o da oba da hen. NDC abobwe MPP abobwe obodu abato time no so ebenya mo akọ ifie to fie wakaka da yabasesa yabeyide yabasesa yabeyide so the same thing no mo ye oyampa the same thing every day. Why oh brother why brother say say me student say me who na me here say me jaw semero me fra we me no bia wa say inside me inside we nyina man ti say Ghana mpefo na kasa no e be sack we nyina fro ye kara say ye be sack we nyina fro
So these are some of the questions of the residents around this area. It's so worrisome, it's so painful to see final year students at a senior high level and then as well as the tertiary level showing their bitterness over this issue at this area.
My name is Quartin John.
Quartin John, a former here.
Form 2.
Form 2. Quartin John, abana muhu yinara for the menu boy there etina fie na esia di ejina ha de hu yinara for.
Ba jo insurance as a tono. Ye dam hina ya ma nsuo nko a nti anya de krom pe matena dem ne aka say ye esuan de na say e be dampo. Nti na be gina bontena no. Nsuo na for ye books krom pe say esuan hina. Jenjimi nsuan de mpo ne aka say ye timi ada.
Nti no ma fresh school authorities na abo mama ne sesisi ano nyade a mutumi eye mo ho hwe na nsemben e na o maka
e say school authorities yan from mo de ti say yan wade chiansa e tima from na ade be chunu so na nsu so yan te ya still ye ho chire
sisi ano na mo be yan kasa
e say ye twen say nyame ya do ma nsu no beti na ya hwe de ye be say e betima hwe nsu no free den mu na ye timi ada ade chian ye ho de ye be.
This is very, very bad. We also speak to others and hear their worries. This is another student from Takoradi Technical Institute. It appears to me that most of the houses here are occupied by students of Takoradi Technical Institute, right?
Yeah.
I hope the school has its own hostel.
But our school have some hostel, but we can. Some of the hostels have a computer full, so we
are full.
Yeah,
okay.
we have,
so the rest of you has to come out of the hostel to secure a place for yourselves.
Yes.
Okay. Internet you go na wa for ni na trading.
Sisi ane de me isi young hostel ye dem no. No mo afọ twam. Sisi am no kwa ebetimete nsu mi da akọ. Yam bed na ya park na yam trunk na ade no. Ye de sisi yam bed no do. Na isi ade inde de ye ni be bia ye beda.
Woni baby a wo beda.
Yan woni na ya ma.
But one was school at ya see there like what bra.
School on ase.
School teacher ni bia nso nya we.
Na isisa ye gina wonom. Sisa ma sisa nso ama mempobo yi na lato. Nti ye hiamboa. Na na do ye do ba na oboboa yin pa. Na onye da no dia ye beble. Okay.
I have plenty to say about that. As for me, I don't believe the government or I don't blame them. I blame the landlord because they don't tell the truth.
Yes. What truth were you expecting from the
landlord? They
have
to tell you that half of this place is watering area, so if you like it, I can give it to you, but they don't tell the truth.
They will take your money and then later you explain.
That's all. So half for me, I'll blame the landlord. They have the problem. I don't blame the government.
Okay.
So that's my problem.
Okay, so you think the landlords are not being fair to you?
They should inform us that, half of the place that you are coming, this. So if you like it, yes. If you don't, but they don't tell the truth. That's why we are facing the consequences.
That's why you're facing the consequences.
Yeah. So government, we want you to fight to them.
So whether rain or shine, man must enjoy. So in your situation, they are still enjoying. They have no choice. They have nothing to do than to make themselves happy. Currently, they can't even travel to their hometowns. So they have to find ways and means to have a place to lay their head. They are also complaining. One of their major concerns is to the landlords, that at some time they should inform them, because they are students. So at least they should inform them that where you are coming, when it rains, it's a problem. So you should be aware. The landlords should be in a better position to advise themselves. They are also appealing to the MPs. Honorable Joseph Kujo, the regional minister, Honorable Joseph Mensah, and other MPs here in the Western region to come to their aid in this bad situation. That when it rains, no one can use a Fiakuma Africana road. So that's where we would end the report for today. Thanks for watching Ideas GA TV, and remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. God bless you.